you wearing, dude? That SVT Garage t-shirt? Dude, that's sweet. You got one on too?
I like it.
You like
comfortable. Very durable.
You guys can get your shirts too at svtgarage.com. I got the patriotic one on today. Those guys are rocking the OG. Check out the website, svtgarage.com. Order yourself a shirt and rock the gear. But we got no more time to waste. We're gonna get back to work. What's going on, guys? It's Chris.
Caden.
It's SVT Garage, and today's the big day. The wheels have finally showed up. Sort of 3 out of the 4. We'll get into that here in a second, but today's gonna be the unboxing. We'll go over the specs, we'll go over the make, we'll go over everything on these wheels. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get these things out of the box because we're making headway on this. I'll flip this around and see what we got. All right, well, you know we ordered wheels. They were supposed to be here in 2 weeks, and they arrived 2 weeks early. So I should say 2 more weeks, but they arrived about 2 weeks early. So I'm not complaining about that. The only thing that was a little sketchy was when the guy got off the UPS truck, there was only 3. And I was like, hey dude, where's the 4th one? And he said, I don't know, it might be coming tomorrow. So I was in the middle of looking into that. Long story short, they're on another truck getting delivered today. So hopefully within the next like 2 hours. But before I decide to sell those wheels, because I absolutely love them, they're like a one-of-one, custom offset, all that. I really want to make sure that these ones are what I want. So we're gonna unbox them. We're not gonna waste any time on that. Gonna get them out of the box, take a peek. So we got 2 of the rears, which is the 18 by 11s, and 1 of the fronts, which is an 18 by 9.5. So let's get these out. Let's take a peek and see what we got. All right, so I got my son helping me. He's gonna go to work in a minute. So we're gonna get this thing out, get it done, and see what we are looking at. So again, these were completely custom made. You write down to specking out the color, the size, the offset, everything on the wheel. The way I got the barrels done, the way I did the face, it's completely set up how you want it, and that's why I'm surprised they're here this fast, because again, they were supposed to come, I think, sometime around like September 9th or 2nd, somewhere around there, but I think today's like what, the 24th? Yeah. Something like that. So yeah, package is really nice. I'll give them that. And again, this is BC Forge. I think they're located out of Florida, the wheel department. And these are sick. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh dang.
Well, these are way nicer than those ones.
These are sick, dude. Look at this. So they're light. My God, those are light. Feel that.
Nice.
Let's get this box out of the way.
How much were these?
We will go over that total, but they were, I think for the whole set shipped about $4,700. My man, let's get the camera on these. Hold that real quick. So, this is the BC Forge. I believe they are the MHE11s. And I went with a very similar style to the old wheel, which we'll put side by side. This is a rear of the old wheel and of the new wheel. So, very similar. You're good. I went with I like the multi-spoke. I think they're both 10, and I like that step lip. So this is again what I wanted. The difference I did when I ordered these, the barrels were polished. These ones I actually had brushed all the way through. So, and then as you see the hardware in the back, these are a 2-piece wheel. And these ones are a 2-piece wheel, but these don't have the hardware. These ones are actually welded. So that's the difference between these two. Now, I was gonna go with ordering another set of these and just sell if everything works out, I'll just sell these ones. But these to remake, to look like this and to get rid of the polished barrel was essentially $6,000. Or I could have sent it to them, and for about $4,000, they would have separated the face, made new barrels, and put the face back on. I decided that if I was gonna spend that much money, let's try something new. So we went with the BC Forged. Ryan is a huge fan of them, and I figured I'd give them a try. So that's what we are going with, and so far so good. I like the size of the wheel. The face is nice. The little difference is these are larger spokes compared to those ones, like the length of them, but they're both 18 by 11s, and basically pretty much the same offsets as well, because the offset I went with is I wanted that flush look of the tire on the wheel. I mean, the wheel and tire to be flush with the fender. So, what do you think about that?
They look way brighter than the other ones.
Yeah, that's that bright. It's also called bright, bright gloss clear on the brushed face here. So that's the finish I went with over the brushed wheel itself. Gotta say, this is a really good looking wheel. Smooth too, man. That's awesome. Well, that's the rear. So let's get, and this one is a front. And again, this is 18 by 9.5. The offsets on the rear is a plus 18 and a plus 22 on the front. So if you guys are looking to get a set of wheels, that's pretty much what we run when we get these made. Wanna grab that for me, bub? Thank you, dude.
Yep.
They do package in here real nice. I gotta say that the way they got this. Oh, look at that. The other. It's kind of cool. I gotta open that up and see what that's all about. But I don't know if I saw that. You see if there's one in there? Nope. Huh. Okay. Not sure what that is, but we will have to open that up and check it out. All right. Without further ado, you know what? We'll just do it on this one. Oh yeah. And there's that. Dang, they're so light. What do you think, dude?
They're different. I like them.
Yeah. So again, the face on these, same thing, brushed aluminum, the gloss, the bright gloss clear, and then we did the same finish all the way through on the barrels. Well, so far so good. I'm definitely gonna get these mounted, the tires on these tomorrow. I am not gonna make the mistake I did on another set that we had. All right, we got one more wheel because unfortunately the fourth one doesn't come for another hour or two. So I gotta say though, big shout out to UPS. I was talking to the delivery guy and he's like, yeah, it's kind of weird. I only had 3 on my truck. And I was like, well, I only got 1 shipping number or 1 tracking number. And I like, what am I doing? Signing for this and then hope it shows up? And he was like, no, actually each wheel has its own tracking number and it's only showing 3 on his truck. I told him what was going on with me getting these to get mounted tomorrow. So he said if they were on his truck, he would, oh yeah, that's good. He would come first thing in the morning to get me at the, cause I had an appointment to get the tires on. Well, then he tells me he actually leaves and comes back and tells me that they're on his other guy's truck and they'll be here by 4. So yeah, that looks good. I love that deep dish look. Again, if you're gonna have a set of wheels made for the Mustangs, the New Edge, I guess maybe even the SNs or the Foxes too. I like that step look rather than like a flat lip. So you have the options when you're getting these made of which route you want to go. So I like the step. Those wheels are stepped, and that's what we went with on these. So cool. Well, next step is gonna get them to the tire shop. We'll go over this really quick because I am doing a video on the install and all this as well. We got the fender on. Came back here today. Perfect day for it. It's been raining all day. We got the rear bumper on. and I got the complete trunk setup done on the car. So what I did was new carpet. I got all new liners that were pretty mint all the way around the car. Relocated the battery to, you can see it back there behind the amp rack rather than underneath. The problem with it being underneath is if I have to access it, I have to remove the entire system just to get down there. So that's not ideal. And I did buy the new carpet here, the cover, and I did have the new, I've sourced the new liners in here that were just pretty cherry, no issues with them. And I said, well, if I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, I'm gonna relocate that battery. So that's what we did. Got the wires running underneath here, and that battery's tucked back there. So it's a little, you can see it a little bit, but not much. But enough of that. Like I said, we're doing a full video on this. But guys, here's the wheels, BC forged, the MH11s or MHE11s. And again, 18 by 9.5 on the front plus a 22. And the rears are 18 by 11 plus 18. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go on their website and check them out. Like we said, Ryan's got a set on each of his car, and now my car's gonna be rocking it. Now the next big thing is, how do they look on the car?
Yeah.
We're gonna, well, once we get this thing together. So it'll be a couple days. We'll get them mounted, balanced, and on the car. But guys, it's Chris.
Caden.
It's SVT Garage. Comment below, what do you think? And if I do decide to sell these ones, I will be asking somewhere around like $3,500. Like I said, those are a custom set of shot wheels. And they're just, again, same thing. Custom spec, 2-piece, you know, forged wheels. So if you're in the market for something like that, they are gonna get cleaned up and pretty much ready for sale. If I decide to go with these, which I'm pretty much leaning towards. But anyways, guys, it's Chris. It's SVT Garage, and we'll see you on the next one.